children, today we are going to start with chapter 17, that is life of early human. So in this chapter, I'll tell you about how the early men discovered fire, wheel, and they used different tools for what? Hunting animals, growing crops. So here you will write the few sentences, or 4-star sentences about the lifestyle. Early men lived on earth since thousands of years. He lived in jungles just like animals died. He was very different from the man today. The food he ate was different. The clothes he wore was different. He was the early man, right? So the why early men, what early men ate? वो क्या खाते थे? So they eat raw flesh. Early men ate whatever available. वो fruits खाते थे, roots खाते थे, killed animals, small animals को मारते थे, उनका flesh खाते थे raw. This was because they did not know how to make fire. भी जब पता ही नहीं था. आज हमें देखो क्या पता है कि खाना भाई फायर को हम यूज करके खाने को पका सकते हैं, बट दे डिड नॉट नो द थिंग फायर, राइट? After the invention of fire, they learned everything, but before it, they did not know how to cook food. He could never find plenty of food in one place, so he kept on moving. देखो पहले क्या होता था? At the ancient time, early men do not get food available at the single place. जैसे आज हमें हर चीज एक जगह पे अवेलेबल होती है, पहले नहीं होती, तो उनको एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस जाना पड़ता था, राइट? Why early men? What early men wore? Clothes तो थे नहीं उनके पास, so they use leaves, bark of tree to cover their body and to protect them from harsh weather. So he had to stay inside the cave. This increased the need for warm clothes. So he skinned dead animals. So animals के skin होते थे ना, they started wearing that. Now the uses of tools. Early men had to dig the ground of roots, plants and kill animals with their bare hands. This made him make tools which he could dig in the ground. ठीक है, उसने टूल्स बनाए जिससे वो ग्राउंड को डिग कर सकता है, लैंड को डिग कर सकता है और एनिमल्स को मार सकता है. एंड ही ऑल्सो यूज टूल्स ऑफ स्टोन. स्लोली ही इम्प्रूव दिस टूल विच मेड इट इजियर फॉर हिम टू डिग एंड हंट. टूल्स ब्रॉट अबाउट मेजर चेंजेस. टूल्स आने से क्या हुआ? अर्ली मैन की लाइफ में बहुत सारे मेजर चेंजेस आए और वो एनिमल्स को, स्ट्रॉन्ग एनिमल्स को भी इजिली मार सकते. नाउ यूजेस ऑफ फायर विच वाज एन इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्कवरी. Fire was also fascinated early men. Many times they saw jungles on fire and he saw coming from the skies in the form of lightning. He could see that animal were. उन्होंने देखा कि एनिमल इससे डरते थे. They were afraid of. So after a long time he realized that fire could be useful to him. Perhaps he did make use of the jungle fire and released it had a great impact. Fire made him much stronger against animals. For later he learned he could start a fire by striking 2 stones. 2 stone ऐसे घिस के भी उन्होंने क्या करा? Fire strike करी by rubbing 2 bamboo sticks. As time went by, he learned the fire made food softer and tastier. So he started cooking food. Fire also protected him from wild beasts and from cold climate, and fire was a great achievement. अगर हम बात करें जो फायर था, it was the great achievement in the life of the early men. Right? So here some question has been given. You have to answer these questions. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.